Hi and welcome to our first video. This one is a bit of a test, so please forgive the lower quality. We aim to improve over time. We'll create a separate video with more details about the channel. For now, we hope you enjoy and consider following us. And obviously we had to start with ChatGPT. Hi, who are you? Which version? What day is it?
Hello. I'm ChatGPT, a language model created by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. My training only includes information available up to January 2022. Today is January 20th, 2024. How can I assist you today?
Are you an artificial intelligence?
Yes, that's correct. I am an artificial intelligence language model created by OpenAI. My purpose is to understand and generate human-like text based on the input I receive. If you have any questions, or if there's something specific you'd like assistance with, feel free to let me know.
What are the differences between you and artificial intelligence?
I am a specific type of artificial intelligence known as a language model. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad term that encompasses a variety of technologies and approaches aimed at creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Here are some key differences. Specialization. I am specifically designed for natural language understanding and generation. Other AI systems may focus on different tasks, such as image recognition, game playing, problem solving, or autonomous decision-making. Training data. I have been trained on a diverse range of internet text up until January 2022, which means I can generate responses based on patterns and information present in that data. Other AI systems may be trained on different datasets, or use other approaches like reinforcement learning. Application. While I can be used for a variety of applications that involve natural language processing, other AI systems may have different applications depending on their design and purpose. For example, AI systems might be used in healthcare, finance, robotics, and more. Capabilities. My primary strength lies in processing and generating text based on input. Other AI systems may excel in different areas, such as recognizing patterns in data, making decisions, or controlling physical processes. It's important to note that artificial intelligence is a broad term, and there are many different approaches and types of AI systems, each with its own strengths and limitations.
Are you aware of which other similar AIs are available out there and how you compare with them?
Yes, I'm aware that there are various AI models and systems developed by different organizations and researchers. Some of the notable ones include GPT-4. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, GPT-4 might have been developed or announced by OpenAI. It would be an advancement over GPT-3, the model you are currently interacting with. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers developed by Google. BERT is another influential natural language processing model. It's designed to understand the context of words in a sentence by considering the surrounding words. XLNet. This is another transformer-based language model that builds upon BERT and autoregressive models. It aims to capture bidirectional context while maintaining an autoregressive training objective. T5, text-to-text transfer transformer developed by Google. T5 frames all NLP tasks as converting input text to output text, making it a versatile model that can be fine-tuned for various natural language processing tasks. Roberta, robustly optimized BERT approach and improvement over BERT. Roberta modifies key hyperparameters and training techniques, demonstrating improved performance on various benchmarks. ERNIE, enhanced representation through knowledge integration developed by Baidu. ERNIE incorporates world knowledge into language representation, aiming to enhance the model's understanding of information. Albert, a light BERT. This model addresses BERT's limitations in scalability by introducing parameter reduction techniques, while maintaining performance on downstream tasks. The comparison between these models depends on the specific use case and the task at hand. Factors such as model size, training data, fine-tuning capabilities, and the nature of the tasks they excel in all contribute to their overall performance. Each model has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice often depends on the requirements of the application. Keep in mind that the field of AI evolves rapidly, and there may be new developments or models beyond my last knowledge update in January 2022.
What can you tell me about ChatGPT-4?
I'm sorry for any confusion, but as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about ChatGPT-4 or any developments that may have occurred after that date. If there have been updates or new versions released by OpenAI, I would not be aware of them. Typically, newer versions of models like ChatGPT would aim to improve upon the capabilities of their predecessors, addressing limitations and expanding their range of applications. These improvements might include better contextual understanding, enhanced ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses, and possibly reduced biases. For the latest information about ChatGPT 4 or any other developments from OpenAI, I recommend checking OpenAI's official communications, blog posts, or announcements. They regularly share updates about their research and new releases on their official channels.
Thanks.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, or if there's anything else I can help you with, feel free to ask. Happy exploring!